Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you the technique. About x to the power of 5, we can change into x to the power of 4 with x. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So we put about u equals to this one. Because we have x to the power of 4, so we need to find the value of x to the power of 2. Next, we do first the derivative of this one. Next, we divide both sides with 2a. Because we don't have number 2a in here. So this one, we change for u. X to the power of 4, we change for this one. And you got about u plus 2 over a. Everything to the power of 2. X dx, we change for this one. Next, we put a square on here, and you got about 2a to the power of 3. Next, this one we need to expand. Next, e to the power of u multiplied with number 4 for u and u square. Now, I need to concentrate about this one and this one. About this one, we can use about integration by parts. So, we got about t equals to u square, dt equal to 2u du, dv we got about e to the power of u du. So we got about v equals to e to the power of u. So we have t multiplied with v, so that should be about u square multiplied with e to the power of u minus 2u multiplied with e to the power of u. Next, we need to use about integration by parts, but we just change this one into u, so you got about dt equals to du. So we got about u multiplied with e to the power of u minus the integral of e to the power of u du. So this one you got about e to the power of u, and we put about c in here. So we got the final answer of this one. Next, we do similar technique for this one. So we combine everything in here. So this one, that's about this one. And this one, that's about this one. This one, that's about e to the power of u plus c. And we know that this one cancel this one. And this one multiply with 1 over 2 a to the power of 3 plus 2a to the power of 3 multiply with u e to the power of u. So you got about 1. That should be like this. About u, that should be about this one. That's it the end. Thank you for watching.